If you're worried about your Nintendo Switch 2 battery degrading over time, you may get more life out of it by only charging to 90% rather than fully charging to 100%. And the software gives you an option to do that. Now, it's not going to be foolproof. Sometimes it may charge to 100%, but you have more chance of it not charging to 100% if you turn this feature on. But obviously, you're going to have a little bit less battery life. So if you're going on a long journey and you want to bring this with you, then maybe in that instance you do want to charge it to 100% and then you would turn it off. To turn it on or off, we need to go into system settings and we need to go all the way down to system at the very bottom, and then we have an option here, stop charging around 90%. So if we turn that on, now when you charge it, it will only go to roughly 90% or thereabouts. And if you turn that off, then it will go to 100%. So if you want your battery to maybe last a few more months or possibly years, then if you turn that setting on, then there's more chance of your battery lasting longer. So there we go. Thanks for watching.